Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS on Realme Book Prime 14. And to do this we'll need to click on the start and then simply turn off our PC. When it stops making any sounds, we can click on the power key, and when doing so, when your PC launches, keep clicking on F2 on your keyboard, and here's the BIOS settings, and you can adjust them however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.